Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Better English Studio. I'm your host, Tom, and I'm really happy you're here today. Whether you're listening while cooking, walking, or relaxing with a cup of tea, thank you for spending time with us. Today's episode is all about something that everyone loves: food. Food isn't just something we eat every day, it's also one of the best ways to practice speaking English. And I'm not doing this alone. I've got someone special with me. Please welcome our guest, Mia.
Hey everyone. Hi, Tom. I'm super excited to be here. You're right. Talking about food is always fun. It's one of those topics that everyone can join in on. No matter where you're from, you can always talk about what you like to eat.
Exactly. Food connects people. When you meet someone new, you can ask, "What's your favorite food?" And boom, instant conversation. It's a friendly way to break the ice.
Totally. And today, we'll help our listeners learn how to talk about their favorite foods in English using simple words, useful phrases, and a few fun stories. So, by the end of this episode, you'll be able to describe your favorite meal like a native speaker.
Let's start with something easy. Mia, what's your favorite food?
Ooh, that's a tough one. But if I had to choose, I'd say fried rice. It's warm, filling, and it reminds me of my childhood. My grandmother used to make the best fried rice with eggs, peas, and just a little soy sauce. Every time I eat it, I think of her kitchen and how amazing it smelled.
That's beautiful. Food really does hold memories. For me, I'd have to go with tacos. I could eat tacos every single day, especially chicken tacos with cheese, lettuce, and a little hot sauce. That spicy flavor makes it exciting.
Yum, I can almost taste it. You see, listeners, when you talk about food, don't just say, I like pizza. Add a reason. Say why you like it. That makes your English more interesting and emotional.
Exactly. You could say, "I like pizza because it's cheesy and makes me happy." Or, "I love soup because it's warm and cozy."
Let's practice. Everyone listening, repeat after us. I love hamburgers because they're tasty. I enjoy fruit because it's fresh and healthy.
Nice work. Don't just listen. Actually speak out loud. Speaking helps you remember better.
Yes, it's like exercise for your mouth and brain. The more you do it, the stronger your English becomes.
Segment 2. Describing food in English. Now, let's talk about some describing words, adjectives that make your food talk more colorful.
Right. Let's go over some basics. Sweet means it tastes like sugar. Cake, candy, and chocolate are sweet. Salty means it has salt, like chips or french fries. Spicy means it's hot, not in temperature, but in flavor, like chili peppers or curry. Sour means it's tangy or sharp, like lemons or yogurt. Crispy means it's crunchy, like fried chicken or potato chips. Soft is the opposite of crispy. Bread and bananas are soft. Juicy means full of liquid, like oranges or watermelon.
Let's put them into sentences. Repeat after us. This apple is sweet and juicy. I like crispy bacon in the morning. This lemon is too sour for me. Mexican food is often spicy.
Perfect! See how easy that is? These simple words make your English sound so much more natural.
Exactly. When you describe food, you're painting a picture with words.
Now, food isn't just about taste. It's about emotions and memories, too.
That's so true. When I eat tacos, I remember family dinners on Fridays. Everyone laughing, talking, and enjoying time together.
For me, fried rice reminds me of my grandmother's kitchen. It's amazing how one bite can take you back in time.
So, listeners, when you talk about food, you can also share a memory. For example, I love pancakes because my dad makes them on weekends. Ice cream reminds me of summer days at the beach. My mom's soup makes me feel better when I'm sick.
These kinds of sentences are simple but powerful. They show your heart, not just your vocabulary.
Let's learn some common English phrases you can use when talking about food.
The first one is, I'm a big fan of. It means you really like something. For example, I'm a big fan of Italian food.
Next is I can't live without. It's a fun way to say something is super important to you. Like, I can't live without coffee in the morning.
And another great one, I'm craving. This means you really want to eat something right now. I'm craving chocolate, or I'm craving pizza.
Let's practice. I'm a big fan of pasta. I can't live without rice. I'm craving ice cream right now.
Good job! Those phrases will make your conversations sound smooth and confident.
Now, let's be honest. We don't love every kind of food, but how can we say that politely in English?
Instead of saying, I hate it, which sounds a bit strong, you can say, it's not really my thing, or I'm not a big fan of it.
Exactly. For example, I'm not a big fan of spicy food. It sounds friendly and respectful.
Remember, everyone has different tastes, and that's totally okay.
All right, picture this. You're at a restaurant. The waiter comes and says, "Are you ready to order?" What do you say?
You can say, yes, I'd like the chicken sandwich, please. Or, can I have the vegetable soup, please?
Always use please. It's polite and makes a great impression.
If you want to ask a question, say, what's in this dish? Or, is this very spicy? And if you have a special request, can I have it without onions? Or, could you add extra cheese?
And don't forget to thank your waiter. Thank you very much. Or the food was wonderful.
When the food tastes good, show appreciation. You can say, this is delicious, or this tastes amazing. If someone cooked for you, say, thank you for the meal. It was wonderful. Small compliments mean a lot.
Yes, a simple thank you can make someone's whole day better.
Okay, time for something fun. Food idioms. These are English expressions that use food words but have different meanings.
For example, a piece of cake means something easy. That test was a piece of cake. Spill the beans means to tell a secret. Come on, spill the beans. Cool as a cucumber means calm and relaxed. In a pickle means in trouble. I'm in a pickle, I lost my keys.
Idioms make your English fun and natural. Don't worry about learning them all at once. Just pick one or two and use them when you can.
Mia, do you like trying foods from other countries?
Oh, definitely. I've tried sushi from Japan, curry from India, pasta from Italy, and tacos from Mexico. Every dish has its own story.
I love that. Food helps you learn about cultures and traditions. When you travel, always try local dishes. You can say, I tried Thai food yesterday. It was spicy but delicious.
Or, I ate fish and chips in London. It was crispy and salty. Describing food this way is great practice for speaking English.
Let's move on to cooking. Do you like cooking, Mia?
I do. I'm not a professional chef, but I love making simple meals. Cooking is actually a great way to learn English.
That's right. When you follow recipes in English, you learn verbs like chop, mix, boil, fry, and bake.
Exactly. For example, first I chop the onions. Then I fry them in oil. These short steps teach you grammar and vocabulary at the same time.
Here's a cozy question. What's your comfort food?
Ooh, that's easy. Mac and cheese. Warm, cheesy, and perfect on a cold day.
Nice choice. For me, it's tomato soup with grilled cheese. It reminds me of being a kid.
Comfort food is special because it's not just about taste, it's about feelings. It's like a warm hug in food form.
Exactly. Listeners, think about your comfort food. Maybe it's something your mom or dad used to make. Try describing it in English. For example, my comfort food is hot chocolate because it makes me feel warm inside.
Now, let's talk about healthy food and junk food. Healthy food gives your body energy. Fruits, vegetables, fish, and nuts.
And junk food tastes good but isn't great for your health. Candy, chips, soda, fast food. It's fine sometimes, but not every day. Balance is important.
Exactly. Think of your body like a car. It needs good fuel to run well. Eat healthy most of the time and enjoy your treats too.
All right, let's review everything we learned today. We talked about how to describe your favorite food and why you like it. We learned adjectives like sweet, salty, spicy, sour, crispy, soft, and juicy.
We practiced phrases like, I'm a big fan of, I can't live without, and I'm craving. We learned polite ways to say what you don't like and how to order food at a restaurant.
We also talked about idioms, cooking verbs, comfort food, and the importance of balance.
Wow, that's a lot. You guys learned so much today. Be proud of yourself.
Your homework is simple. Talk about food this week. Ask someone, what's your favorite food, or describe what you eat in English.
Even if you're alone, talk to yourself or record your voice. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
Remember, learning English is like cooking. Sometimes it's messy, sometimes it's perfect, but every time you learn something new.
Beautifully said, Tom. Keep practicing, stay positive, and most of all, have fun with English.
Thank you so much for listening to Better English Studio. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with your friends who are learning English too.
And remember, small progress every day leads to big success. Keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep talking about the food you love.
Until next time, this is Tom
And Mia.
saying goodbye from Better English Studio.